Background app behavior: what happens when you minimize? Definition. This testing focuses on verifying how a mobile application behaves when it is sent to the background, e.g., by pressing the home button or switching to another app, and subsequently brought back to the foreground. The goal is to ensure the app pauses its current activities correctly, avoids crashing, and resumes smoothly from its previous state without losing data or requiring a full reload. Analogy. Think of it like pausing a movie you're watching. When you return to the app, the movie should resume playing from the exact moment you paused it, not restart from the beginning or freeze on a black screen. Real-time example. If a user is listening to music on an application and then minimizes it to check a message or browse the web, the music playback should continue in the background. When the user reopens the music app, the playback controls and current song progress should be exactly as they left them, allowing for seamless resumption. Real-time data usage. Minimize the application while it is actively playing a video to see if the playback continues in the background or pauses correctly and resumes without issues. Switch between the test application and other running apps while a transaction or data-intensive process is in progress to ensure data integrity and prevent crashes. Monitor the application's memory usage patterns and verify that its internal state is retained when it is moved to the background and back to the foreground. Real-time process. 1. Open the application and initiate a task. E.g., start a download, begin filling out a form, play media. 2. Minimize the application by pressing the home button or switch to another running application. 3. Return to the test application after a short period and validate that the task has either continued correctly in the background or that the application has resumed from its previous state, with all data and progress retained and performance unaffected. Tips and tricks. Monitor the application's lifecycle callbacks like on pause, on stop, and on resume in Android or their iOS equivalents to understand how the app is managing its state transitions. Watch out for any instances of UI lags, unexpected reinitializations, or loss of user input when the application is brought back to the foreground. Memory trick. BACK. Background it, send to background, app switch, test during multitasking, continue task or resume smoothly, keep state, data retention. Interview tip. When discussing background app behavior testing, state: I rigorously test how the application manages its lifecycle when moved to the background and brought back to the foreground, ensuring continuity of user tasks and maintaining user trust through seamless multitasking.